Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will answer the question why do Google Photos show up on your phone but not on your computer. You have to start by open Google Photos application, then click at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you enable backup. So right here, as you can see, I have backup turned off, so I need to click turn on backup. Then you need to select original quality or storage saver. If you want to save some space, storage saver is your choice, but I'm going with original quality. And maybe after that your photos start to upload or to Google Photos. Because if your backup turn off, your device do not synchronize photos with Google Photos, so you need to enable it. Also, click at the profile icon, go to Google Photos settings, backup, and make sure that your backup account is the same what you use right now to use Google Photos. So you can tap at this account and you can select another one, or maybe you need to add your account. So near to your account, click the arrow icon and then click add another account. Also, you need to check if you have the stable connection, Wi-Fi connection or mobile connection. And if you use mobile internet, click at the profile icon, go to Google Photos settings, then backup. And right here, you need to scroll down and enable use cellular data to backup photos and videos. Now, maybe the problem is your storage just full. So if you click at the profile icon, you can check your storage. For free, you have 15 gigabytes and you share the space with Google Drive and Gmail. So you can click Manage Storage and remove some files here. And after that, it starts to uploading. Also, what you can do, you can check if you have the latest version for Google Photos application. I recommend you to do this. Open Play Store or App Store, then go to the search and write Google Photos, and then check if you have the latest version and update if you haven't. And also, I recommend to restart your device. I mean, I use this Google Photos right now with my phone, so I need to restart this phone. And if you use it with tablet, you need to restart the tablet. And after restart your phone, you can open Google Photos and you need to check if it start uploading. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.